Alright, guys, some people asked me how I put the pc5 on the tl1000r for, well, this is a pc5 for a Hayabusa 2002. This is a pc5 PTI edition. This one cost me about $450. This one comes with an integrated boost sensor. That's what this little guy is right here. There you go. I'll put a picture in somewhere in a comment or probably in the description I can, or link it to Photo Bucket. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. What you do is, what I did was, because I couldn't find which pins on the Hayabusa connector could go, where they're supposed to go, I bought one. That cost me an extra $20. I just pushed the pins out and put the new fuel injectors in. I just want you guys to know, pin 1 is where they read the RPM on the harness for the pc5. So you had to put in pin 1. I had to cut the TPS wires right here and put them, had to make them go through the connector. See, I couldn't find the the output connector, so what I did was push the pins in, put some hot glue in there, hot glue melts, and apparently it worked. And I'm pretty sure it's pretty strong, as you can see. There's the pc5 for a Hayabusa. Let's turn it on real quick. I'm running on E85, by the way. I have to watch out. I'm having a little bit of oil leak. I'm about to turn it on. Alright, it should start.